I'm doing it. I love this game. We'll turn back on in a second. I'm just saying, love this game. Probably won't be able to hear me through this entire gameplay. I don't care. I'm doing it all out. Let's go. And if I don't do good, it's because I'm using it on this. I'm good on my iPhone, iPod Touch. I have like 170,000. Let's go. I will reach up high. I think that's the song goes. Just like a rainbow. Just turn my sound down. Oh, why did I think of that? Yeah, let's go. Jetpack cat. Hold spacebar. Okay, spacebar. Okay, I'm used to leaning because I use the gyroscope. I'm not used to pressing. Let's go. Stupid lights. Blue sky. I've never really seen the sun. I would never let me go. Don't you never let me go. I didn't see the sun. Really shine. I'll make you mine tonight. Tonight. I want you. I need you. Okay, stand up. Try hard mode activated. That's gonna go crazy on me in a second. I have two friend requests. This is on Facebook. Is the Endercast? No, 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 it just disconnected. What? Frick! Move this lamp out of the way. No, I just started when it's gonna go fucking crazy on me. Oh god, I can still see it. I'm gonna get used to pressing. No, no, what? What was that? I'm not used to pressing a button. Oh no, I thought it was over. Of course, it's never over. Why would it have been over? I want you, honey. I need. Why did I go under that? Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, it's calming down, I think. It's been a while since I played the Dream Pack. The Rainbow Pack, whatever this is called. I think this is Dream Pack. Oh, come on. Do you? Come on, let's go. Since when you have ever seen the rainbow? Have you ever really touched the blue, blue sky? Have you ever really seen the fun stuff? I need to really bump up this score. And it's beginning. I did not. What just hit me? Crying to see blood. Good for you. I'm sure that's very healthy for you. Where's the hitbox on this guy? Like top or bottom? Or is it completely diagonal? So a lot of the cats are diagonal. No! Bam, 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 bam. Oh, it's freaking leaking out all over the place. Splash! All over the place. On this screen is what I see right now. Oh! I believe that I'm beginning to lag. I can't tell. This is how I pause it. How do I pause it? Pause. Pause the game. Oh, my eyes. Just don't blink. Just don't blink, okay? Can I press P to pause it? No, I can't. Oh, the game is paused. That's a bit of lag there. Oh, because it was paused. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Okay, enough spam hacking. Squat. I deserve that. I deserve that. Tonight, I want you. I need you in my highest feelings. For that, I'm gonna make up for it by getting a higher high score. Okay, I had to cough. Don't blink. Just don't blink. Just don't blink. Just don't blink. What the flag? Lag bomb. Saw that. I know that you guys, the Endermen, have seen that. I know that you Endermen have seen that lag. I saw that triangle right at the last second. Don't you never let me go. Don't you never let me go. I want na 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 na. Don't blink. Whatever you do. Okay, I just blinked. Ah, I can't take it. I can't take this much. I can't take this much derp. Derp in a box. Play this game if you want more derp in your life. Or if you like techno music, or if you like challenges. You know what? I'm just gonna probably go to the meat pack in a second. Or I'm not going to, and I'm just gonna get a huge freaking high score. I didn't want to jinx it. Knocked on wood. And about the jinxing before, but probably doesn't matter now because it's something else, and it just. Yep, saw that coming. Gonna be the jetpack cat on this level. Yeah, totally. Totally. Oh, I can't. Ew. It's disgusting. It's all furry. Oh, you see. On the iPod, you can't see that. Also, it's the only level with words. You're a taste of heaven. I already know them though, so there's a hiving for your love. Just can't get enough. Feed me more, more, let it pour. That mouth is disgusting, by the way. Oh, the mouth on the iPod, the mouth is all the way on the side. You can't even see the end of the mouth. Oh god, I hate this part. Flip. No, I wanted to go above it, but I couldn't decide. Flip, flip, flip. So me, eyes on you. It's been a dream. Flowing deep inside. I thought it said flowing. I probably think it's flowing, but every time I was saying that, yeah, I've said flowing every time it's running. Pick me up, you pick me down. You on my feet, I'm on the ground. Gravity. Please, thank you for coming down. By the way. No, no. Oh, come on. Dun 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 na 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 na. Dum 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 dum. Hungry for your love. Hungry for your love. Your taste of heaven. I kiss the star. Hungry for your love. Just can't get enough. Feed me more. Let it pour. Don't feed it more, please. Hungry for you. Thank you. Hungry for you. Hungry for your love. Heaven. I kiss the star. Craving for you. There it goes. Craving for your love. Feed me more. Let it pour. Ah, that's not good. Ah, that's not good. Please stop. Please stop. should totally be uploaded to different channels. Why did I want to go, but why did I even try to go below that? Okay, it's flipping out. It's literally flipping out this time. When I say flipping out, I literally mean flipping out. I lost track of my guy. I was changing on an offbeat. This rainbow is not helping. Okay. Ooh, ooh. No, not the music again. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Watch me just die in a second. I jinxed it, didn't I? I feel like the guy's heavier here. Ah, ah, no, it's gonna flip out. Don't flip out, don't flip out, don't flip out, don't flip out. Please, 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 please. Just go, just go, just go. Keep on going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep this streak going. No, not the flipping. Not the flipping. Oh, I got a new cat. Got a new cat. Change cat. I got them. Ooh, it's disgusting. Bacon. Bacon. No. Bacon. Let's go. Let's go with the bacon guy. Oh, what's the flipping of the screen? It's going at like random. Oh, it's going on another offbeat? Really? I'm not good at keeping track of offbeats. You bring me down. Flip. Nope. Flip. Okay, no. No. Just less flip out thing. Flipping out. Less. No flip, less flipping out. Please. 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 No, don't freak out. No! Bob, why am I trying to fit up? Oh, there. That's what she said. But that's what she said. I'm trying to fit up there. No, seriously, though, why am I trying to go above these things? Don't blink, don't blink. Blink. I blinked. Don't blink! Can't blink! Blink, I'm gonna die! Bacon! Bacon strips and... How do we make this cat? Bacon strips and 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 bacon strips. For you. I should be doing this! The thing actually looks like it's moving. Okay. One more. One more. I don't know how much time I have left. I want to get all the achievements. Are there even achievements on this? Okay. I'm good. Righty then. It's flipping on a weird beat again. No! I need more. I have more time left in this video. This video stops recording automatically at 15. So I don't know how much longer I have left. I have 14 minutes. 14 minutes. 14 minutes! Come on, I have a minute left to go. No, I just... Okay. Last one. Promise. Promise. Last one. Oh, whoa, what was up with that lag? I'll stop at 14:30. 14:30 is when I am stopping. Unless I can keep on going. I'm just gonna... Oh. It's 14:30, pretty much. 27, 28, 30. Perfect timing. Okay, I died just at the right time. It's a coincidence. I did not plan that. Okay. Join us in the end to become an Enderman. And I leave you with this one last note of weirdness. I swear, if this is a good game, the video's about to end. Your subscribes and likes and favorites and everything will be noted. If you subscribe, I'll answer most of your questions.